Rejection is something everyone experiences. It is important to recognize that it's a normal part of life. High-value men do not let rejection define them. They understand that it is just one person's opinion or one moment in time. Instead of letting it shake their confidence, they use it as a stepping stone to become better. So instead of dwelling on the situation, here are things you should do. All points are important. Pay deep attention to them all, because they will improve your value and will even make girls regret rejecting you. 1. Improve your physical features. Your appearance plays a significant role in how you are perceived. And while rejection isn't solely based on looks, improving your physical features can boost your confidence and attractiveness. Focus on building a strong and fit body through regular exercise. Take healthy diet. Invest in grooming and skincare routines that will enhance your appearance. This will make you more attractive and will attract more girls to you easily. 2. Work on your finances. Financial stability is a key aspect of becoming a high-value man. When you are financially secure, you exude confidence and independence, which are highly attractive traits. Take steps to manage your money wisely, eliminate debt, and build wealth. Whether it's advancing in your career, starting a side hustle, or investing wisely, improving your financial situation gives you the freedom to focus on your personal goals without the stress of financial instability. Being financially independent will build your confidence and will make women regret losing you when they discover your real value. 3. Fix your fashion. How you dress speaks volumes about who you are. High-value men understand the importance of a sharp and stylish appearance. Fixing your fashion doesn't mean following trends blindly. It means finding a style that suits you and projects confidence. Invest in quality clothing that fits well and complements your body type. Pay attention to details like grooming, accessories, and personal hygiene. When you look good, you will feel good, and you will gain more confidence. This will make you more attractive to women and potential partners out there. 4. Improve your self-worth generally. Your self-worth should never be determined by external factors like relationships or material possessions. High-value men know that true confidence comes from within. Work on improving your mindset, setting goals, and achieving them. Engage in activities that build your self-esteem, such as learning new skills, pursuing hobbies, and surrounding yourself with positive influences. By focusing on your personal growth, you will discover that rejection affects you less because you're secure in who you are. And because you know your value, you won't bother about rejection. 5. Focus on yourself more. Handling rejection like a high-value man comes down to focusing on yourself. Instead of dwelling on what went wrong, shift your attention to self-improvement. Use the rejection as motivation to become the best version of yourself. Whether it's hitting the gym, advancing your career, or working on personal development, prioritize your needs and goals. High-value men know that when they invest in themselves, they become more valuable and attractive. So instead of thinking about a woman that rejected you, focus more on yourself. Spend time working on improving your life, and you'll see women from the other side regret rejecting you. These are ways high-value men handle rejection. You have to note them and emulate them. You'll see how your dating game and self-worth will change forever. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.